there is a number that most people will never say out loud in relation to a car. Not $100,000, not even $500,000. We are talking about numbers with 7, sometimes 8 figures attached to them. Numbers that belong not to luxury, but to a different world entirely. A world where a car is not just a machine, but a commission, a piece of art, a personal statement so rare that fewer people have owned one than have walked on the moon. Today on GearTales, we are counting down the 10 most expensive Rolls-Royce cars ever made. And by the end of this video, you will understand something most car channels never tell you. The price of these cars has almost nothing to do with performance. It has everything to do with identity. Let's start at number 10. The Rolls-Royce Dawn began at around $350,000 before a single bespoke option was added. And already, we are in territory most wealthy buyers will never reach. The Dawn was Rolls-Royce's open-top Grand Tourer, a 4-seat drop-head designed not just to look beautiful with the roof up, but to look equally beautiful with it down. 80% of its body panels were unique to this car. The soft top opened in just over 20 seconds at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, and when it closed, the cabin fell into what Rolls-Royce described as coupe-like silence. Under the bonnet sat a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12 producing 563 horsepower. But nobody buying a Dawn was thinking about horsepower. They were thinking about how it felt to cruise through Monaco at dusk with the roof folded away. At number 9, the Rolls-Royce Wraith offered something slightly different. A darker, more driver-focused personality. Starting in the low to mid-300s, the Wraith was introduced as the most powerful Rolls-Royce of its era, producing around 624 horsepower from a twin-turbo V12. But the feature that made it genuinely remarkable was the satellite-aided transmission. Using GPS data, the car could read the road ahead and pre-select the right gear before the driver even reached a corner. That is not just engineering. That is a car that thinks. The Wraith was for buyers who still wanted the handcrafted Rolls-Royce prestige, but with a sharper, more personal edge. Number 8 is where things begin to feel truly untouchable. The Rolls-Royce Ghost starts at around $400,000, and from the outside, it does not scream. It does not need to. Its proportions, its long bonnet, its impossibly clean shoulder line, everything about the Ghost communicates a kind of authority that does not require an audience. Inside, the illuminated fascia glows softly across the dashboard. The starlight headliner turns the roof into a private night sky. The rear cabin is less a back seat and more a private suite. And beneath all of it, a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 delivers its power so smoothly that the car never disturbs its own composure. This is not wealth that wants attention. This is wealth that has moved beyond needing it. At number 7, Rolls-Royce did something no one expected. They built an SUV. The Cullinan, also starting around $400,000, is what happens when one of the world's most exclusive luxury brands decides that practicality should feel just as extraordinary as everything else they make. The ride height is commanding. The grille is architectural. Inside, the rear can be configured with individual seats, a fixed center console, and a hidden compartment containing a champagne cooler and whiskey glasses. When you're crossing rough terrain in a Cullinan, you are not aware of the terrain. That is entirely the point. Number 6 takes the Dawn and darkens everything about it. The Dawn Black badge starts well above $400,000 and trades the standard car's elegance for something sharper and more theatrical. The blackened exterior details, the revised steering, the upgraded throttle response, and the extra torque from a retuned V12. These are not cosmetic changes. This is a car with a different character. Rolls-Royce also offered the Aero Cowling, a removable rear cover that transformed the Dawn into a dramatic 2-seat roadster. The black badge line was designed for buyers who already had everything and wanted their car to reflect a slightly more daring side of that success. At number 5, we cross the $500,000 threshold. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended Wheelbase is where this list stops feeling like a car purchase and starts feeling like a commission of statehood. The gallery dashboard can hold commissioned artwork behind glass across its full width. The rear privacy suite offers electrochromic glass that goes opaque at the touch of a button, fold-out tables, a champagne cooler, twin 12-inch displays, and massaging seats. The Phantom EWB was the choice of heads of state, royals, and the kind of ultra-wealthy buyer whose most important seat is always the rear one. It does not just arrive, it announces. Number 4 is where we leave the factory behind entirely. The Rolls-Royce Phantom EWB Mansory Diamond Edition is a one-off creation. A Phantom taken and reimagined by Mansory with carbon fiber bodywork, an illuminated grille, diamond-stitched leather throughout, and a level of interior personalization that exists nowhere in the standard catalog. The price? Available on request, which in this world means you probably already know whether you can afford it. For the buyer, this is not a car. It is a statement that even the most exclusive thing in the world was not exclusive enough. And here is where this countdown leaves the world of expensive cars entirely and enters the world of automotive art. Number 3. The Rolls-Royce Boattail. Valued at approximately $28 million. Only 3 were ever made. Each one was developed through Rolls-Royce Coachbuild, the brand's highest tier of bespoke creation, where the client works directly with designers and engineers to build something that never existed before and will never be replicated. The rear deck opens like the wings of a butterfly to reveal a hosting suite hidden within the bodywork. Inside lives a built-in parasol, a dual-zone refrigerator, chilled to the exact temperature preferred by the commissioning owner, and 2 bespoke timepieces made by a specialist watchmaker. The Boattail was not built to a specification. It was built to a life. Number 2. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Valued at around $13 million. One owner, one vision. No catalog, no options list, no production run. A completely unique body, a yacht-inspired silhouette, and an uninterrupted panoramic glass roof that floods the minimalist cabin with natural light. The interior was finished with Macassar ebony and open-pore wood alongside hand-finished leather. Hidden panniers behind the coach doors deployed to present the owner's personal laptop. At the center of the console, a bespoke mechanism raises a bottle of the client's favorite champagne alongside 2 crystal flutes. Every detail in this car exists for one person. And when that one person sits inside it, they are sitting in something no one else on Earth will ever experience. Which brings us to number 1. The Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail. The name means the Black Rose, inspired by the Baronne Prévost, a deep velvet rose from France that carried personal significance for the commissioning family. That single flower became the identity of the entire car. Valued between $30 and $32 million, the Rose Noire is the first of only 4 Droptail commissions ever built through Rolls-Royce Coachbuild. The exterior paint alone required approximately 150 iterations to perfect. The wooden inlay across the dashboard became the most complex marquetry ever executed in Rolls-Royce history. 1,603 individual hand-finished pieces, assembled like a puzzle that took years to complete. An Audemars Piguet Royal Oak timepiece is integrated into the fascia, removable so the owner can wear it or leave it in the car. A matching champagne chest was commissioned specifically around the owner's preferred vintage. This is not an automobile. This is a declaration of a family's identity, their taste, and their private story, expressed through 4,800 pounds of the finest materials on Earth, built by hand over years for one person who will never see another one like it. That is what the top of this list actually means. Not the most powerful, not the fastest, the most personal, the most human, the most irreplaceable. And that is why Rolls-Royce has existed for over a century, while other luxury brands have come and gone. Because at a certain level of wealth, people stop buying products. They start commissioning legacies.
Which one of these 10 do you think represents the purest expression of what Rolls-Royce truly is? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more deep dives into the machines that define extreme wealth and engineering obsession, you know what to do. This is GearTales. We will see you in the next one.